How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYGTECH. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I have an interesting product which has been sent to me by this lovely company Ocushield. This is not a sponsored video. They reach out and they send a few products. Ocushield is based in UK. This is an interesting company. They do anti-blue light screen protectors for your device, and also with privacy filter as well, which this is pretty interesting, so we'll check the privacy filter as well. So what is blue light, if you ask now? Blue light is everywhere. Blue light basically is on our screen on a daily basis. Smartphone, tablets, Macbooks, computers, and so on. And what the blue light is bad? The blue light is bad because it makes your eyes blurry, sometimes we have a headache, and also mess up our sleep, which this is very bad. I'm gonna put a very interesting link in the descriptions down below, so make sure you watch, check the link with all the information about the blue light. But basically the blue light is bad for your eyes and for your headache as well, and just messed up your brain. So they sent few products. So this product is pretty interesting. This is screen protector for your MacBook Pro. They sent this product, so I will do the installation right now. Also they have different products for your smartphone, tablet, and so on. And as you can see, you can still see your colors on your screen. A privacy filter, which this is very good. Prevent the eye strain, so basically it's gonna help your eyes and sleep better. So this is pretty interesting product. So let's open it, let's see what is inside, and let's install it. And I'm pretty interesting to see this installation. So let's see what we have here. So anything else? Nope. So we have the screen. Also we have some interesting stickers here. And also we have a glove. Before you install the product, make sure you clean your computer, or depends what you're installing. If it's a laptop, make sure you clean your screen. If it's a smartphone, again, and also wash your fingers. Make sure you have off all your greasy things on your fingers. And the installation is pretty simple. Basically, we have the screen protector here, and also we have the glove, and also we have, this is dust remover, quite small dust remover, but again, it's good. I already cleaned the computer, cleaned the Mac already, so this is interesting, so I don't have to do that. And also we have the stickers. So these stickers, it goes on the screen protector and you just apply. So I'll show you right now how to do that. So what do you have to do first? So this is the front and this is the back. So basically we need to remove the back of the screen protector. And when you remove the back, and now we have stickers. So basically we're gonna put 4 stickers in each corner. Okay, so after you put the 2 stickers on each corner, make sure you apply the screen protector on your MacBook. Make sure it's straight, and then basically make sure to apply a little bit force, and then you can remove the front cover. I hope this installation helps you how to do that. So basically now you can remove the front cover. So as you can see, the installation is pretty simple, very easy. So I don't know if you can see the privacy feature, if it's working right now. So probably you can see properly. And when I just move the screen, probably not going to be able to see properly But again, when the screen is front of you, you can see if it works. I think the privacy feature works amazing. So again, this product is gonna help you with the sleep as well. Again, this company is based on UK, and thank you very much for sending these products, Ocushield. Again, I think the more important is to install this on your smartphone as well, because we always are using our phones more than the computer. So thanks for watching, and if you get value of this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Once again, Ocushield, thank you for sending these products for review. I'm going to put all the links in the descriptions down below, and I'll see you in the next video.